Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is time once again to explain how things work. We have a wonderful example of batteries, i.e. these lovely little pieces of lead acid and Angry Pixies, and they are going to go into this guy, the short bus. Yay! So tag along, have some fun. I'm gonna go from there. All right, peace. All right, let's start this baby off. Got a little bit of the music going on. Okay. Key important factor here is to remember how it was set up in the first place. What we're gonna do, get it all the way out. Make sure the battery compartment is all clear of all the crap. Okay. Make sure you lift with your back in a jerking, twisting motion. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna go here. And then, I think that's right. Yeah, that's right. Set her in place. Now sometimes you can, remember to uncap these. I like to keep them on until the very end when I connect the lines up. So, till then, we're going to outsource. And pause real quick. Alright, so here we are again. Now, because buses run on a 24-volt system, or a modified 12-volt system, you have to accommodate for, I always forget, is it in series or is it in parallel? Anyway, you essentially have to make sure that all contact points are clean. So get all that crap off that. Sit you down real quick. You know what? I wonder if I can use this new fancy fangled. Oh, yo. Show you. Not my crotch. Don't go crotch. Perfect. There we go. Camera editing is amazing. Just want to make sure that all that crap's off there. Oh, and for grog snacks, remember to wear gloves, because this is acid and this is corrosive, and you want to be able to feel your fingertips a little bit later on in life. Now what I do is I connect the cabling, the power side first, just so it gives us a fighting chance when we stick the. Basically what I did was I connected that sucker to there. You're going to take your trusty hammer and the trick is on this one, get her all the way out. Make sure that you do not make contact between here and the ground. So don't do the whole like connect here and connect that, because you'll send those Angry Pixies right through you. All right, take off the caps and connect like so. Okay. Give her a nice little tap. Tap it. Okay. Give or take. And then you're gonna go in there and just cinch these suckers down, cinch that down, and then you're gonna, I'll show you later. All right, and to wrap this little bad boy up, after tightening all components, you use the protector. Make sure you point it at your intended target, not your chum. Apply it liberally, and I like to apply it to everything that's exposed, and this will keep all that schmoo off of it and just make things look a little bit nicer. Make those pixies go in the direction that they want to go. All right, that wraps up for me. You guys have a great day, and yeah, have fun.